You're not ugly. The real problem is that a few bad habits could be making your face look worse every single day, and you probably don't even realize you're doing them. And if you don't fix them, they'll keep making your face look older, puffier, and less attractive than it should. So in this video, I'll show you the 6 biggest habits hurting your appearance and exactly how to fix them. And the good news? Most of them are surprisingly easy to fix. Let's start. Habit number 1, touching your face. Most people don't realize how often they touch their face. In fact, you're probably doing it far more often than you think. You rub your eyes, scratch your cheek, rest your chin on your hand, and none of it seems like a big deal. Think about it. Every day you touch hundreds of things, then you touch your face, and some of that dirt, oil, and bacteria ends up on your skin. For some people, that's enough to contribute to acne breakouts and irritated skin. The fix? Keep your hands off your face as much as possible. You might be surprised. And while this habit mostly affects your skin, the next one can change how your entire face looks. Habit number 2, too much processed sugar. Most people don't realize this. Sugar tastes good, but your face pays the price. Too much processed sugar can make your skin look dull, your face look softer, and your features look less defined. The worst part? Most people never connect what they're eating to the way they look. The fix? Cut back on processed sugar. You don't have to remove it completely. Just stop making it an everyday habit. And for many people, one of the first things they notice is clearer skin and a sharper-looking face. Habit number 3, poor sleep. You can spend hundreds on skincare, supplements, and grooming products. But if you're sleeping 4 hours a night, you're fighting a battle you're never going to win. Sleep is when your body does most of its repairing and recovery. And when you don't get enough of it, it starts showing up on your face. Think about the last time you got almost no sleep. You didn't just feel tired. You looked tired too. The fix? Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep consistently. Stick to a schedule and don't scroll late at night. The truth is, good sleep does more for your appearance than most products ever will. However, sleep isn't the only thing that can make someone look worse. Stress can do the same thing. Habit number 4, chronic stress. This is one of the most ignored habits on the list. Stress doesn't just affect how you feel, it affects how you look too. When stress stays high, cortisol stays high, and that can do 3 ugly things. It can make your skin worse, it can make your face look more tired, and it can make you look older than you should. Ever notice how during exams, deadlines, or stressful periods, your face just looks worse? That's not a coincidence. That's stress showing up on your face. And you can't eliminate stress, but you can manage it. Exercise, go for walks, spend time with people you enjoy being around. Find things that calms your nervous system. Stress literally makes you look worse, so the less stressed you are, the more attractive you'll look. And stress will change how you look over time. But this next habit can make you look worse almost instantly. Habit number 5, forward head posture. This is one of the fastest ways to make yourself look less attractive. You can have clear skin, a good haircut, a decent physique. But if your head is constantly pushed forward, it changes the way your entire face looks, and there's a good chance you're doing it right now without realizing it. Forward head posture has become incredibly common. The problem? It doesn't just affect your body, it affects the way your face looks too. A weaker looking jawline, a weaker looking neck and posture that makes you look less confident. The worst part? Most people think they need to change their face, when part of the problem is the way they're carrying themselves. So pay attention to your posture and stop spending hours folded over your phone. Because sometimes looking better isn't about changing your face, it's about changing how you carry yourself. But even if you fixed everything we've talked about so far, this one last habit can still stop your progress completely. Habit number 6, blaming genetics. A lot of people look in the mirror, notice a flaw, and immediately blame genetics. And that's where they stop. Look back at everything we've covered. They are just habits. And habits can be changed. The truth is, genetics are only 20% and the rest are in your hands. So stop focusing on what you can't control and start improving what you can. That's how every transformation actually happens. So fix these habits consistently, and the person you see in the mirror a few weeks from now could look completely different. And if you want to know exactly how to actually glow up, watch the video on screen. I'll see you there.